Hi, Scotty Sanders here. Thanks for joining me for this video. And today I'm going to give you a little blast from the past. So I want to share a lesson learned from the 34th president. So see if you can guess who that is. All right, it's President Dwight D. Eisenhower. So I think he served in the 50s as our president for 2 terms. So he did something to help in prioritizing. It's called the Eisenhower Principle, but basically you look at the things you need to do in a day or a week or a month, and then you go through and you prioritize. And this is somewhat the order of prioritization. It would be first, you want to always do what's important and what's urgent. So that's what's going to always be at the top of your list. Next would be what's important but not urgent. All right. And then third would be not important but urgent. And I find a lot of people, that's kind of where they camp out. It's like, I got to get this done. It's not that important, but it's urgent to them. And the last thing you want to do, if you ever do it, would be it's not important and it's not even urgent. So this is a good little principle, the Eisenhower principle, to follow when you look at things you need to do. Is make sure you do the most important and the most urgent first. Now, here's my personal opinion about prioritizing. Where you spend your time is more important than where you spend your money. It really is. Money, you can always have more. Time, there's a limited amount of that. So you want to always use your time to give the greatest return. So it really is about spending your time to give the greatest return on where you put your time. So invest your time wisely. It's worth more than money. So use the Eisenhower principle to figure out what do you need to do first and foremost, all right? Now, in my Life on a 3x5, one of my steps in the Life on a 3x5, which is a framework for daily success, is about prioritizing every day. And I talk about Warren Buffett in there about opportunity costs. Where do you spend, you invest in things. So where do you invest your time gives you the best return on your investment. It's called opportunity cost. So that's another example as well. But where you spend your time is very, very important. Now listen, wherever you're watching this video, please scroll down and leave a comment. And if you've not downloaded my free resource, it's called Build Your Own House Blueprint. It's 5 simple building blocks to help you have greater success. So, hey, I hope you have a great week. Thanks for checking this out. We'll see you next time. Take care.